Hello everyone, I'm Shaillee Kaushal and I'm so excited to launch our NEET 2026 complete chemistry course starting from the 2nd of January. As far as chemistry is concerned, it is one of the most scoring subjects in NEET, and with right guidance, it can become your strongest area. That's exactly what this course is designed for. In this series, we will cover the entire NEET chemistry, physical, organic, and inorganic chemistry in a very simple, structured, and absolutely exam oriented way. I'll also guide you how to approach difficult topics, how to revise smartly, and how to score 150 plus in chemistry even if you're starting now. All you need to do is subscribe, very important, hit the bell icon, and most important, stay consistent. Keep a notebook ready, practice the questions I give, and never miss a class. Our first video drops on 2nd of January, and we will begin with basic concepts of chemistry, the foundation for everything ahead. So let's start the journey together. Stay focused and make chemistry your highest scoring subject in NEET 2026. Also join the Telegram channel to get regular practice questions and quizzes to make the course more interesting. The link to the Telegram channel that is given below in the description box. So let's begin from the 2nd of January.